don't know if y'all can see that, but there's hail. There's hail up there. That's hail. They're little beads. It's been cloudy all day. Is that a possible sign of a tornado? I'll update you guys if I'm having a tornado situation. Yeah. Oh, I can't even hear it. Like, hold on. Like, look down there. It's kind of wet. Hold on. Oh yeah, and also I got these. Yeah, so I don't really have anything to say. Not really all I have to say. Not really. So I wanted to do just let you guys know that I will update you guys on this. Yeah, I heard it. I was like, oh, it's raining. And then I look outside on the roof because I thought saw little white beads falling, sliding off and stuff. And that's what I come to and look at. Just little white beads sliding off. I feel like I can feel it. You can kind of see it. Yeah, that's hail. That's hail. No, I'm not saying the bad word. I'm just saying, like, it's hail, like ice. Should I open my window? Like, I was just playing record and stuff. On my phone, yeah, I have record now. On my phone, I have my tester account, not my original account, but yeah. This is what I come to see. It's kind of peaceful sounding. Whatever. Yeah, like I said, I'll update you guys. See you guys.